Hi, I'm Kyle with The Waterman. I'm the office manager here. Come check out how we can make your water better.
All right, San Antonio, Church, Civil, and all our points beyond. Once again, welcome back to another edition of the RE/MAX Corridor Connection, where I bring you the very best in local businesses. And today I am with Ty and the Waterman. Ty, thanks for having me out, brother.
Thank you for coming, man.
So tell everybody a little bit about your business.
Yes, sir. We are a full-service water treatment company. So what that means is we don't just sell water softeners. We service and repair. Unlike a lot of our competitors, most of our competitors are just sales companies, but we can legitimately service and repair water treatment equipment.
Yeah, that's awesome. And, you know, a lot of people don't know that the water softener, it does need maintenance, just like your car, guys. Hey, and you know, so San Antonio's got some water issues, right? Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so those who live in San Antonio know that we have very bad water. In my terms, the water sucks. But we here at the Waterman, we offer equipment, high efficiency equipment that allows you to have the benefits of soft water, but using less salt and water while it's doing what you need a water softener to do.
Yes, so yeah, the water softeners, and that's really important. Take care of that hard water, protect your appliances and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And what else do you have that can work in tandem with the water softeners?
So yes, being on municipal water, the municipality, of course, is responsible for protecting your water prior to entry of your home. We offer equipment to remove those chemicals from the water to allow you a better overall quality, working in conjunction with the water softener, so you get the best of both worlds.
Yeah, those special treatment thing, catalytic, is that what it is?
Catalytic.
Yeah, so you know the water's protected coming to your house. You want to get rid of some of that stuff before you start putting it in your body, you know. And what you also offer some specialized filtration on top of that.
Absolutely, yes. So that would be reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis is popular because people want to have a better overall drinking water quality, cooking water, your teas, coffees. You can't go wrong with having reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis is designed to clean your water up anywhere between, I like to say, 96 to 99.9% of whatever's remaining in your water.
Yeah, and I use reverse osmosis in my Keurig and also my fish tank.
Yeah.
So you know, that's great for the people that live inside the city, have municipal water. What about those people that are outside water districts?
Yeah, we also offer well water protection or equipment to service people who have issues. You know, there's iron, phosphates, all types of things that are in the water, unlike that would be in municipal water. But well water is a whole nother monster. We have a master, the other owner here, Fred, is a master when it comes to those type of applications and figuring out what's needed to make that water better.
Yeah, so that's awesome, man. You guys got the full gamut here. And you know what? One of the things I really love about your company, Ty, is the fact that you guys really are community partners. Tell people about discounts that you have.
Yeah, so we are definitely, they call it Military USA, and we definitely support that. There are discounts for our military and also our first responders.
Yeah, that's really great. And you know, most of you guys that have tuned into my videos before know that for every house that I help sell or buy, that I make a donation into my client's name to the Children's Miracle Network. Help out some of those children that are a little bit less fortunate than us. Yeah. So, you know, Ty, I'm really pleased to announce that Ty is going to be one of the members of my VIP client program. And there's going to be a special card that has discounts for companies all across the United States as well as here locally. And if you have one of those cards, you can reach out to Ty, and he will make sure that you will get a discount in addition to whether you're military or if you're just a great American, he'll make sure that you get a good discount too.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So you know what, Ty? It's been awesome talking to you, and I love your saying. Can you tell us your saying?
Yes, sir. So they call me Ty the Water Guy. If your skin is dry, your hair is tight, it just means your water ain't right.
All right. Hey, listen, man, that's awesome. As always, guys, I want you to be blessed, be kind, and most of all, be the reason somebody smiles. Talk to you later.